don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 4, Chakuma 1. I'm joined by Mtilo.
Congratulations to the Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
They played very well.
Yes.
They deserve to win.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a fact.
It's a fact. Yes.
Yeah. Kodwa nje over and above.
Yeah.
They deserve to win.
Yes,
That's all I can. I told you even before.
Yeah.
Which Orlando Pirates would win.
Yes.
I'm not saying that they will win the cup.
Yes.
But let's congratulate them.
Yes.
That's the main thing.
Man of the match, Mtala. Man of the match.
A man of the match for me, I would say who could keep away Chakuma.
Yeah. Awuphi umuntu ku Pirates.
No, badlale kahle bedlala lengane ngane but kodwa who could keep away Chakuma did very well. Did very well, and we exposing the talent. I'm a coach.
Yes, coach.
The goalkeeper of the Chakuma deserves to be a man of the match.
Coach, Pirates is on top.
Are you happy with that?
Yes, I'm happy with
Pirates is on top in Nedbank.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
This is a win. Yeah, exactly.
Bafo, uzu Nedbank ithini? Ithi next game, thathi loan kuyo ngenamba yeplayer themba ukuthi izokora. Mayingakora leyo player, bazokunika leyo mali, bathi ungababhatali.
Umuntu ongakora.
Yeah, iNedbank.
The Nedbank we Pirates.
iNedbank ithi thatha iloan yeplayer othembayo. Mayingakora leyo player bathi ungababhatali. Next game.
Tito.
Thank you, Rodmani.
Tito.
I'm a Tati loan, Peter Mtala.